Facebook Inc. made headlines in late October 2021 by announcing that it's changing its corporate name to Meta as part of a new focus on building a metaverse. The concept involves constructing integrated virtual online environments in which people live, work, and play. A real-life version of the movie, The Matrix, may seem like science fiction, but so did ideas like the internet and driverless cars at one point. The global metaverse market could grow between $390 billion and $800 billion by the mid-2020s, according to the Bank of America. Due to these projections and statistics, metaverse stocks have become one of the most widely followed trends on Wall Street. Thanks to rapid progress in virtual reality technology and computing power, the metaverse space is slowly emerging from sci-fi novels and movies to become a reality. Companies are increasingly focused on advancing this technology, pushing the limits of the metaverse. Investors are busy searching for solid bets to profit from the emergence of this groundbreaking technology. In light of such upside potential, I'll discuss 9 metaverse stocks to buy with bright growth prospects on the horizon. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the best metaverse stocks that you need to invest in right now to blow up your portfolio. If you're looking for extraordinary profits in the metaverse, then there is no better way to get started than these stocks. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Ready? Let's get to it. We are going to start the lineup of the best metaverse stocks with obviously the most profitable options. 1. Meta. Facebook announced it will officially change its corporate name to Meta and its stock ticker to MVRS on December 1st. CEO Mark Zuckerberg said that Metaverse is like a version of the internet that users enter rather than just view. As he said during an event, today we are seen as a social media company, but in our DNA, we are a company that builds technology to connect people, and the metaverse is the next frontier, just like social networking was when we got started. Facebook's Oculus and Horizon virtual reality subsidiaries will likely play a larger role in its metaverse push. In addition to a strong foundation of users, Meta is generating massive profits from its core social media business, over $20 billion in operating profit in each of its last 4 fiscal years. Looking back longer, Meta has grown free cash flow at a compound annual rate of 50% in the last decade. It can use those profits and cash to reinvest in the growth of its metaverse. Indeed, founder Mark Zuckerberg outlined ambitious goals when he spoke at the company's most recent conference call on October 25th. Our goal is to help the metaverse reach 1 billion people and hundreds of billions of dollars of digital commerce this decade. Strategically, helping to shape the next platform should also reduce our dependency on delivering our service through competitors, he said. Fortunately for investors, you can buy this company with excellent profits in the near term and massive opportunities in the long term for a bargain price. 2. Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft is publishing to be the early leader in professional metaverse. In an October interview with Harvard Business Review, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella discussed the metaverse concept. I think that this entire idea of metaverse is fundamentally this. Increasingly, as we embed computing in the real world, you can even embrace the real world in computing, Nadella said. Microsoft's HoloLens, which are mixed reality smart glasses, and Xbox gaming consoles may also play important roles in the metaverse user interface. 3. Unity Software Inc. Unity Software owns one of the 2 main 3D video game engines, which allows designers to customize how video game players move and interact within their games. In fact, 94 of the largest 100 game development studios use the Unity engine. On Unity's second quarter earnings call, CEO John said that the company will support and shape the metaverse and will emphasize content creation cross-platform access and narrowing the distance and reducing the friction between creators and consumers. Unity may be a central player in helping businesses build unique metaverse presence, the equivalent of websites or social media pages today. 4. Roblox Corp. Roblox is an online entertainment platform that may be the closest thing to an existing social metaverse today. Roblox is essentially a video game that has 43.2 million daily active users, its own digital currency, and a wide range of unique virtual experiences such as a live digital concert by Lil Nas X in 2020. Outside developers are constantly building new games and content to integrate into the existing game, which serves as the base for the growing metaverse. The platform's 1.3 billion developers are on track to collectively earn $500 million from their creations in 2021. 5. Amazon.com Inc. For years, Amazon has focused on expanding its e-commerce platform into an ecosystem, integrating shopping, entertainment, and cloud services for its users. Amazon has the dominant online shopping platform and will likely look to establish some version of an Amazon Mall in the metaverse in which shoppers can interact and buy digital products. In a recent blog post, Amazon's Vince Ko, who heads worldwide digital commerce with the company, discussed innovations such as a virtual try-on, virtual pop-up stores, and virtual avatar economy as ideas change the retail landscape. Finally, Amazon Web Services will likely play a major role in building and maintaining metaverse infrastructure. 6. Autodesk Inc. About 70% of Autodesk's business comes from design software for architecture, engineering, and construction, or AEC. Engineers and architects use Autodesk's application to virtually design 3D buildings and infrastructure projects. Autodesk now has a suite of products designed specifically for building virtual reality and augmented reality 3D animations and buildings, a perfect fit for metaverse construction. In the second quarter, Autodesk's AEC segment revenue grew 21% to $397 million, while its media and entertainment segment revenue grew 10% to $53.3 million. It's easy to see why Autodesk is a top choice for developers building the early metaverse. 7. NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA produces the graphics and video processing chips used in high-end computing servers, supercomputers, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality applications. NVIDIA chips will play a crucial role in supplying the massive amount of processing power that the metaverse will require. NVIDIA is also creating its own metaverse platform called NVIDIA Omniverse. NVIDIA Omniverse is a platform used for connecting 3D worlds into an integrated virtual universe. The company said Omniverse can be used for a wide range of enterprise applications, such as design collaborations and simulations of real-world architecture. In addition, NVIDIA says Omniverse is a useful tool for training robots. 8. Himax Technologies. Himax Technologies is a small-cap semiconductor specialist valued at roughly $1.8 billion, and I think it stands out as a great pick and a shovel play for investors aiming to benefit from the metaverse trend. The company's core business revolves around display drivers, chips that regulate colors displayed by pixels on screens. Himax's chips are already used in television, mobile devices, and automotive displays, and the business is on track to enjoy powerful tailwinds if metaverses continue to gain traction as places for digital socialization and commerce. Himax investors have waited for years for virtual reality and augmented reality glasses to provide the company with a substantial new high-margin revenue source. These product trends were slower to emerge than many investors and analysts predicted, but it looks like the picture is starting to come together. Between the company's strong position in the mobile market, fast-growing demand for automotive display chips, and the potential for exploding demand for chips used for AR/VR headsets, Himax has some strong growth catalysts on the horizon. The company produces essential components that will be at the heart of immersive virtual experiences, and its earnings and valuation could soar as the promise of the metaverse increasingly becomes a reality. 9. Fastly. San Francisco, California-based Fastly operates a real-time content delivery network, CND, which is a geographically distributed group of servers which work together to provide fast delivery of internet content, according to Cloudflare. Fastly offers a variety of cloud services related to delivery, security, computing, and performance. Management issued third-quarter results on November 3, 2021. Our revenue surged 23% year-over-year to $87 million. Net loss came in at $56 million, or 48 cents per diluted share, compared to a net loss of $24 million, or 22 cents per diluted share in the prior year quarter. Cash and equivalents ended the period at $282 million. Fastly offers edge computing infrastructure as a service (IaaS) that brings servers and equipment to the resource of data creation. As a vast amount of data transfer is required to create a virtual world in real time, Fastly is well positioned to benefit from the metaverse. Its platform helps minimize the lag time and latency of decentralization and can move 167 terabytes of data per second across numerous countries. According to a new market research report, edge computing is expected to be worth around $87 billion by 2026, with a compounding annual growth rate (CAGR) of 19%. Given such growth potential, investors can purchase Fastly shares at a moderate valuation. It currently hovers around $49, down 45% year-to-date YTD. Fastly shares are about 60% lower than their peak in late Jan, trading at 17.1x trailing sales. The metaverse could be one of the biggest emerging product and service trends of 2022. But investors don't have to wait to build an early position in this potentially revolutionary trend. Recent market volatility has led to promising players in the space trading at fresh discounts, and some are worth buying before this year is out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.